Friends, all of us, good morning. Because daily by daily I make videos, so I'm making now. Friends, today one matter came to my heart, and my heart was saying, "Could you speak fluently, ever like this?" Which is coming my heart. Yeah. What I'm saying, please you listen, care, and now you have work. Please you left that, and this video, please you watch what I'm saying you. Today my heart is saying that could you speak fluently ever? That I said with my heart, please you don't worry. And daily by daily you have to speak in will be whatever will be your position, whatever will be your problem. But please you left that and you have to speak daily by daily. What are you thinking? Please you think. What are you doing? Please you do that. But whatever you are doing and what is your mission, you have to do that. So friends, one matters. If whatever you are doing, that you have not to leave that. You have not to leave that. 1 month, 2 months, 5 months can take time. And first of all, like this was time. And when first time I purchased this luggage, when first time I came in front of the camera, one translate I used to not speak in front of the camera. Please you can imagine what kind of was situation that time. And now many translate I can speak, and that translate is happen right. We know also if I am speaking 5 6 translation and 10 translation, but in 10 translations at least 5 translation is right. We know also is sometime we speak mistake, but for that you do not mind. What is your mission? Please you think that. And so friends, my channel's name Yande English Speech. Please you subscribe and you like. And like this video daily by daily you will get. If you want learn English in like this, you have to do also. You have to speak daily by daily. You have not to leave. So friends, I explain you this matter. When your age will be 30, 35, if you want to become rich man, that you search daily by daily new things. And the book, please you don't leave that. Yeah. What I'm saying, please you listen. And whatever you are earning money, please that money, please you save something for your future. Friends, once upon time was, one boy was saying me, in now I am first year Bachelor of Arts. One boy was saying me that, and only you examination 10, that you will not get any job. So that time my mind was saying, Okay, whatever you are saying, please you write. But unless I live in this world and my study will be continue. My study will be continue. I can't leave study. So friends, I am saying you now I am teaching the children whatever we have knowledge I give them. And this knowledge also I give them. Please, daily by daily you are coming my home. Yeah. And what is the reason? Why are you reading now? Now you are children and so much matter you can't explain. And your father teaching you, your father has mind that matter. When in first of all you are children, your work is only reading. Your work is only preparing for future. I I don't give you any suggestion, but whatever you have knowledge, that matter I am giving you. So friends, what's matter will be right. Please you have to take that. Otherwise, whatever matters will be wrong. Please you left that. In first, I am saying you, friends, my mission is this like this that in this area, especially local area, and I am preparing now, and especially local area, there are no any English teachers, so I am preparing that I can teach them, I can give knowledge, and especially poverty lines children, because poverty lines children can't go to a high level city for reading in English. And already you know government schools there are no so facility because that children can read. Whatever we know I am saying you. So friends, my target has, and who is poverty lines comes to childrens, and I can give them whatever we have knowledge. So friends, today, yesterday I opened one channel. That channel name is Masti Masti, and we are making comedy video. That already you know, all of yours, all of yours has mobile, and most of the peoples use the mobile every time. Every time the peoples watch in any short video. So I tried that many people is earning money with YouTube. So we thought also, and we will make a comedy video, and that we will upload in YouTube channels, and I see what is happen in such 6 months in daily by daily we have to make, and 1 years till now, unless our video will not come any ads that you can't earn money, because your company will not give you. In first of all your video should come any ads, after that you will get anything money, otherwise you will not get anything money. So daily by daily you have to upload one video. YouTube channels daily by daily you have to one video, and after that you will get, and about 10 minutes or 20 minutes in like this. And first time we are new, we are new, we are new peoples, and we are making new peoples. So in now first time we are making any mistake, yeah. But in 1 month after, I will improve that. I will improve that because for that we want to apologize. Friends, in this speech, in any translate happen mistake, please you forgive me. And again by again saying, and in last times I want to say you friends, and please my channels you subscribe, and you like, that's my channels will be grow. And when my channels will come money, and that time, and again by again I would like say you thanks. So friends, in next in tomorrow I will meet you with the next video.